Hello dear children, welcome back to your online EVS class. Here we are discussing our third chapter from semester 2, the human body. Our body has different organs. We have 5 sense organs, right? Which are they? Yes, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. A group of organs work together to do a special job. It's called organ system. In our previous classes, we have discussed about skeletal system, muscular system and circulatory system. Hope all of you have understood about these three organ systems very well. Then let me ask one question. What are the functions of skeletal system in our body? Yes, skeletal system gives shape to our body. Then it protects the internal delicate organs. It also helps us to move. Along with skeletal system, muscular system also help us to move. Then circulatory system includes heart, blood and blood vessels. Heart pumps blood to all over our body through blood vessels. Very good. Children, let's start today's session. Before starting, you have to take a deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Just breathe in and breathe out. When we breathe in, our chest expands, isn't it? When we breathe out, our chest relaxes. Can you feel it? Yes. Children, as you all know, all living beings breathe. Nose, windpipe, lungs, etc. are included in this process. So these all organs work together and make respiratory system. Okay, let's know more about the respiratory system.
When we breathe, we take in air through our nose. This air enters the nose and moves through the windpipe to the lungs. In the lungs, oxygen from the air is taken up by the blood and the carbon dioxide in the blood is given out into the air in the lungs. This air with carbon dioxide is then breathed out through the nose. That is how humans breathe.
So children, we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Oxygen enters into our body through our nose and it passes through the windpipe and reaches lungs. Blood vessels also present in the lungs. The blood absorbs oxygen from the lungs and give back the carbon dioxide to the lungs. And this carbon dioxide will move outside through the nose. And the absorbed oxygen will reach all over our body through the blood. Oxygen is necessary to get energy from our food. Okay. So the nose, windpipe and lungs make up the respiratory system. Next is the digestive system. As you all know, we get energy from the food which we eat, isn't it? We eat different varieties of food daily. How do we get energy from the food which we eat? Do you have any idea? Children, the food which we eat has to be broken into small or simple substances. Then only our body can absorb the food to get energy. Okay, so the process by which breaking down of food into simple substance is known as digestion. Mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus are included in this process. So the organs, mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus make the digestive system. Okay. Digestion starts in the mouth. The teeth chew the food in the mouth. The food mixes with saliva. The chewed food moves through the food pipe to the stomach. The digestive juices in the stomach mash the food and make it into a paste. The food then moves into the small intestine. Here it is broken down fully into simple substances and sent to all parts of the body through blood. The undigested food moves to the large intestine. Water from the food is absorbed here. The waste is sent out through the anus. Children, this is a common passage for both food and air. It is known as pharynx. That means our throat region. Then it divides into food pipe and windpipe. Food passes through the food pipe and air passes through the windpipe. When we eat food, epiglottis closes the windpipe and restrict the entry of food into the windpipe. That is why we are not allowed to talk while eating. If food enter into the windpipe, it leads to the death of a person. So children, today we have discussed about two organ systems, respiratory system and digestive system. Hope all of you have understood about these two systems very well. Then read the lesson, study the notes without fail. Okay, we'll meet in the next session. Until then, take care and goodbye.